How far can our curiosity propel us in the vast expanse of space? As we gaze upon the celestial dome, the answer unfolds in a tale of human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of knowledge. Recently, SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, embarked on a thrilling journey, launching 2 lunar landers, Blue Ghost and Resilience, from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This isn't a solo endeavor though. 2 companies, Firefly Aerospace from the United States and iSpace from Japan, have partnered up for this lunar venture. For Firefly Aerospace, this marks their first lunar mission, while iSpace is making its second attempt after a previous hiccup. These landers have a mission to perform. The American lander, Blue Ghost, is set to land on Mare Crisium in early March, and the Japanese lander, Resilience, targets Mare Frigoris in late May or early June. They will operate for 2 weeks in continuous daylight, conducting significant research and paving the way for future manned missions. This marks a significant step forward in global efforts to explore and utilize the moon. The journey matters as much as the destination, wouldn't you agree? As we delve into the voyage of 2 lunar landers, this sentiment rings truer than ever. Our first stop is Mare Crisium, a basin on the moon's surface that will host the Blue Ghost. For 2 weeks bathed in unending daylight, this American lander will be hard at work conducting research and preparing for future manned missions. Next we visit Mare Frigoris, a sprawling lunar sea that's the destination of the Japanese lander Resilience. Resilience will also be operating for the same period of 2 weeks, embarking on a mission to collect soil samples and carry equipment for water electrolysis and food production. Both landers have a crucial role to play in our understanding of the moon and are integral to the success of future manned lunar missions. Each lander's journey is not just a physical trek across space, but a monumental leap towards the future of space exploration. As we watch from Earth, we're reminded that every small step taken on the moon represents a giant leap for mankind. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, awaits these pioneers. So, what's the science behind these lunar missions, you ask? Well, let's dive right in. At the heart of these missions is the quest for knowledge, a thirst to unravel the mysteries of the moon, our closest celestial neighbor. The lunar landers, Blue Ghost and Resilience, are set to conduct cutting-edge scientific research on the moon's surface, each equipped with a unique set of tools and objectives. Firstly, soil sample collection. The iSpace's rover, carried by Resilience, will collect lunar soil samples. These samples will provide invaluable data about the moon's geology and help us understand its formation and evolution. Then, there's water electrolysis. The rover carries equipment for this process, which involves breaking down water into hydrogen and oxygen. On Earth, we use this process for various applications, including energy production. On the moon, this could be a game changer. If we can find and extract water, and then convert it into usable forms, it could support future manned missions, and maybe even lunar habitation. Next up, food production. The rover will carry equipment for cultivating food. This is a big deal. Imagine growing food on the moon! It sounds like science fiction, but it could be a reality sooner than we think. And let's not forget about the study of the moon's particulate compositions, thermal properties, and electromagnetic activity. The Blue Ghost, for instance, will carry 10 NASA payloads to study these aspects of the moon. This could give us insights into the moon's environment and how it interacts with the sun and Earth. Finally, the missions will also contribute to understanding Earth's magnetic field and solar weather patterns. The Blue Ghost carries the Lexi payload, an X-ray machine, to analyze Earth's magnetic field. This research could help us better predict solar storms, which can disrupt technology and pose a risk to astronauts in space. These expeditions are set to bring us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our universe. The science behind these missions is not just about exploring the moon, but also about understanding our home planet and preparing for the future of space exploration. The possibilities are truly out of this world. What does this mean for the future of lunar exploration? Well, these missions mark significant strides in our journey back to the moon. Both Firefly Aerospace and iSpace are playing crucial roles in preparing for future manned missions. They are not just landing on the lunar surface, they're conducting research, collecting soil samples, and testing equipment for water electrolysis and food production. This is all part of a larger plan with NASA's Artemis program at the helm. Artemis aims to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable human presence there. The success of these missions contributes significantly to this ambitious goal, providing invaluable data and paving the way for the astronauts who will set foot on the lunar surface in the years to come. We must remember these are not just missions, they're stepping stones. Each one brings us closer to understanding our universe and our place within it. As we reach for the stars, we're reminded of the limitless possibilities that space exploration holds for humanity.